This is It Came Upon a Midnight Clear as a piano accompanist this time. So we will be not playing the melody in the right hand, we'll be doing a chord in the right hand, singing on top of that, and playing the root note of the chord down low as a bass note, the note the chord's named for. So let me show you the chords in the right hand, and we'll try to keep the chord in such a way that it's inverted so that the melody note is higher than the chord. So we're going to start our B flat chord like that, D, F, and B flat on the top. It came upon, so this is B flat, D, F, B flat like that. There's your E flat chord in the next measure, E flat, G, B flat. It came upon the midnight clear. So you go back to that B flat there on midnight. That glorious is a E flat chord again. E flat, G, B flat. Song, there's a C7 chord. C, E, G, B flat. Of old, there's an F chord, root position there, F, A, C. From angels, there's your B flat again, D, F, B flat. Bending, E flat, G, and B flat on the top. Back to B flat, near the earth to touch. There's another E flat chord. They're harps, that's an F7 chord. And that's the melody note, so it's C, E flat, F, and A on the top. Harps of gold. There's a B flat chord again, D, F, B flat on the top. Peace on, there's a D chord, root position, D, F sharp, and A. The earth goodwill. We've got a G minor chord there. Let's go down lower with that. I think that, let's see. Let's do it like that. With G flat, or excuse me, G minor would be B flat, D, and G. Will to, and there's a D chord there, A, D, F sharp. So that's an easy change. Will to end, because you got to back and forth between those two pretty quick. From heavens, that's F chord, C, F, A. That's a C7, B flat, C, E, G flat on the top, King, that's an F chord, A, C, F. The world, there's a B flat chord again, D, F, B flat on the top. In song, there's E flat, back to stillness is B flat again. This lay to hear, E flat, and then there's an F7 chord, C, E flat, F, and A. Angels sing, and there's a B flat at the end there, D, F, B flat. So those are the chords for your right hand. Then all you need to add is the root note down low as the bass note. So when I'm playing my B flat chord here, I've got a B flat note down low. When I've got an E flat chord here, I've got my E flat there, B flat, C7, I got a C here, and so on. So whatever the note the chord's named for, the root note is a bass note. So always work on hands alone. And when you're all through and put it together, this is what it sounds like. It came upon the midnight clear, that glorious song of old, from angels bending near the earth to touch their hearts of gold. The world in solemn stillness lay to hear the angels sing. You may have noticed there were a couple of places there where I didn't do the root note down low. There's variations on this. Sometimes you'll see a chord with a slash. There'll be the chord, a slash, and another letter. That's a bass note. So for instance, we've got this will to man from heavens. I did a C note there, and I had an F chord, and it resolves down to the C like that. So that's a variation you'll see as you progress, and that's that one.